Okay, and one more time.
Today we are going to visit Dr. Rudy at Precision Health, and he's Mom's functional medicine practitioner. He's actually trained in chiropractic, but he knows the Bredesen Protocol, which has seen phenomenal results in halting the progression of and reversing Alzheimer's. And so we've been working with him for about 7 months, and we just signed on for another 5-month membership. It's an immersion program, so kind of holds our hand and does some of the harder technical interpretations of blood work, stool tests, all the things that go along with following this protocol, and there's a lot to it. And so we're meeting for 2 hours today. Mom hasn't seen Dr. Rudy in, I think, 4 months, about 4 months roughly, in person. We've had to do Zoom. So this is a really big deal. She's going to get a memory test, which is also a big deal. It's called the MOCA. So, you know, just interested in what's going to happen. She had her CRP and SED rate. She had inflammatory marker tests yesterday with her rheumatologist, and they were mixed, but one of them was slightly elevated. So we're going to be able to talk to Dr. Rudy about that, and I think that has to do with her gut inflammation. We put her back on antibiotics the other day, so you know, we're headed in the right direction, but her gut has been really troubling us for about 4 months, and it's weighing a lot on us. It's a lot of work, and inflammation is something we need to keep down. So it's a really big, it's a really big deal that she's inflamed right now. This book, Defeating Dementia, basically talks about the protocol. So I just kind of wanted to run through it with you, because we're not going to be, because of the virus, having video inside the session today. But like, here's an example of somebody on the therapeutic program, this Bredesen Protocol. It's called RECODE, by the way, which stands for Reverse Cognitive Decline. So here's one patient. This is how they followed the RECODE. She eliminated all simple carbohydrates. She eliminated gluten, processed food. She increased vegetables, fruits, and non-farmed fish, so like wild-caught salmon, for example. You need to reduce stress. Your memory will be greatly affected by stress, I know from seeing Mom. So she did yoga, ultimately became a yoga instructor.